We're really missing you if you're not in school, and I hope everything's going okay and that you're all safe and well. I've got some absolutely amazing wow posts here. And I cannot wait to share them with you. So Logan in class 6 has had a successful week of home learning and done some brilliant maths. Darcy is working independently with her spelling, and Lola in class 6 has had another really successful week of home learning. We are so proud of the three of you. Very well done. Kimberly has done some fab science research on her favourite animal, which is a sloth. Lexi has really applied herself and caught up on her Miss work. Well done. Kian is settling into homeschooling and doing so well and trying his best. I can see some real drive here. Well done, you lot, brilliant. Ivy May, super maths. What is this with your addition? You're amazing. Max is making huge progress in his spelling and reading, even reading words in local shops. Max, amazing. Alice, even though it's not been easy, she's still doing her best to complete the work, and your mummy is very proud of everything you have achieved, just like we are at school. Isaac, in class 6, wanted to do extra work on a Saturday. Go you, Isaac! Derry Rose is adjusting to school life at home and has learnt to ride her new... She's learnt how to ride her new bike, which is bigger than her. That I cannot wait to see that. Maybe you could send us in a video, Derry Rose. Peyton and Delilah are trying their very best in these strange times. Eva is teaching her little brother how to care for the family dog. Oh, send us a photo and tell us what his name is. And Reggie Fry is always wanting to learn, practicing his numbers and alphabet. You people dazzle. We are so proud of you, and we'll see you really soon. Bye.